welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here at Jalan Padma, and I have a request actually to walk along this street and also later to Jalan Sahadewa. So let's walk around here. Now it's dinner time, guys. It's around 7 o'clock in the evening, so let's go and see the situations in this area. So here is Jalan Padma, and a lot of shops are still open at this time, but unfortunately this restaurant, it's Fish On restaurant, is still closed. Last time I showed you also at afternoon, it was closed, and now still closed, guys. I don't know what happened. Maybe permanently closed, not really sure as well. Let's see in the future. But this one is Momo's. Wow, look at that. There are some people here. You can watch sports games. Nice jewelries, silvers. Wow, there is a new money changer here. Now, this kind of money changer, it's safe to change money, guys. It has proper building, it has camera, and the rate, as you can see, is also good rate. Probably maybe you have seen some videos about dodgy money changer in Legian or Kuta area. So don't fool at that kind of money changer, guys. Here is the Summer Ink Tattoo Studio. They have their cafe and bar, live music, but unfortunately still very quiet at this time, guys. Maybe later it will be busy after dinner. Well, look at that on the right side. 108 houseboat. It's really big. I have really big screen, so if you wanna watch rugby, maybe hello, you can go there. Mozzarella restaurant and bar. I like the concept of the restaurants, guys. The design, I mean, it's really good design. A lot of wood, so it's just nice. I don't know about the food yet. Probably the food is good as well. And this is Legian Pub. I think some of you know very well about this place. Unfortunately, still quiet at the moment. Maybe too early for a pub. Rama Garden Hotel. I've been to this hotel before. They have nice pool and the room is okay, but the restaurant, as you can see, it's really busy.
Yeah, we have everything.
That's okay, thank you.
Well, look at this. So big lobsters.
Table for two. Okay.
So let's go here to the left. This is Jalan Sahadewa, or famous with Garlic Lane, guys. Well, starting to be busy, I think. There's some shops, spas, all are still open at this time. And there is a new spa here, Emily Spa. It's a big spa. And here, there's a bar, a restaurant. How you pronounce this hotel? The Tandi Saya or Tandibaya? Wow, my favorite cafe or restaurant is closed. Look at that. but it says see you soon. Probably only closed for tonight. Hello. Look at that, the local restaurant. It's really busy. They must be doing really good, yeah? Have you been eating there before? Maybe you can share your experience with us. Wow, a lot of perfume here. Look like branded perfume, yeah, but I don't think this is original. In here also. Right here is the Legian bar. But definitely still not really busy at the moment. Wow, this is, I think, a new restaurant, yeah? Basically they have breakfast. Wow, there are so many menus, yeah? They have salad. They have Indonesian food, local dishes. As you can see here, local dishes. Nasi goreng, mie goreng, beef. What is this? Water something. Chicken satay, beef rendang. They have Mexican food. They have burger, pasta, pizza, and so many more. So if you like to come here, you may do so. Have you been to this bar before?
Bye.
Look at it here on the left side, guys. This is the Legian Golden Square. Still, there are a lot of shops available. Wow. This is Jalan Melasti in Kuta. As you can see, traffic situation is quite busy at this time. Probably people are going out from the beach, Kuta beach. Here there's some business already. Spa, shop. And this one is another spa. They have spa here. They have spa here. Oh, there's a tattoo studio as well here. Bags, suitcases. Anybody of you like to stay here, the Magani Hotel? Wow. This is the new restaurant, the Sharia Resto. This is the picture of their menu, guys. Basically a lot of Indonesian food and also seafood here. It looks good from the picture. Hello. You can play pool as well. There's a pool table there. But here, lemongrass restaurant is different view. As you can see, it's quite busy. I think this restaurant is quite famous, isn't it? A lot of people like to have dinner there. And all the shops here, or the art shops, are still open. Hopefully everyone had made some sales so that they can survive, because not really good, I think. Yeah, at the moment it's considered quiet or low season in Bali. Legian Loop. It looks nice from outside. Kind of like a city hotel. But look at this. The Jobs Spot Bar. Unfortunately, it's closed. Is it part of the hotel? What do you think? Okay, let's continue. Let's keep walking here. And this is Jalan Legian. I want to show you the situations around here, so that if you are staying around in this area, at least you know a little bit the situations around in this area. That is the Grand Mas Hotel Legian. And next one is the Solia Legian. But this hotel, I think they have two entrances. Yeah? They have one from here. They have one from Jalan Melasti Kuta, I think. But it's quite a big hotel. They have their spot bar, they have their restaurants also. Nothing much in this area, basically shops, guys. So they are selling almost the same stuff. Jerseys, a lot of bags here, and also watch. It looks nice, watches. Hello, excuse me. Wow, the first painting shop that I see in this area. Oh my god. This is blue skies. Not really busy at the moment. And that one in the front of us is Asoko Bar and Restaurant. But unfortunately, very quiet at this time. Wow, look at this. Nice stuff. A lot of statues. Wah, banyak yang jual sini ya?
Iya.
Oh. Agak sepi ya, Pak ya?
Oh, jauh.
Sepi ya?
Iya.
Oh, look at this here. There's a lot more stuff. This is my first time entering this small area. It is Kencana Art Market, guys. A lot of wood carvings, dream catchers, and many more. Wow. Fresh fruits, you can buy some here. And for you that planning to stay at this hotel, Legian Paradiso, this is the situation. I think last time someone asked me about this hotel. The hotel is open, of course. They have the restaurants here and lot shops, of course, and bars. Is it safe to walk around in this area at night? I can say still safe. Just be careful when you bring like your belonging, like phone or maybe jewelries. Don't attract any like attentions. Yeah, if you wear like very big gold jewelry, something like that. So I'm not saying this area is like 100% safe. Based on the news, there are some crimes also happen here, but so far it's so good. It is safe, and the local people and the police also work really hard to avoid these things happen. but we need to do like precautions, guys. So I think that's all for today's short video from this area in Legian and also at Padma. I hope you enjoyed the walk today. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.